Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So you have built a stand in Please Donate on Roblox Mobile and people donated Robux to you. Now you're wondering how can you claim those Robux and put it in your account. You're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you claim them. Just follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. So if you try doing that from the app, you can go ahead and open Roblox, make sure you are logged into your account and then tap on the Robux icon in the top right corner. So once you tap there, you'll be given your balance in the top, and from this screen you can only purchase Robux, so you cannot claim your donated Robux from here. What we need to do to see how can we claim it is to actually open your browser, any browser of your choice, go to roblox.com and then tap right in the bottom on continue in browser. And once the website fully loaded up, what you need to do is to again tap on the Robux icon in the top right corner of the screen. This time, once you tap there, you get this little menu, tap on My Transactions. Now, if anybody donated any Robux to you, you will find them pending right here. So you'll be seeing a screen that looks like this. At the bottom, you find the pending Robux. Those are the donated Robux, and they will take up to 7 days to be in your balance in your Robux balance. So it can take from 3 to 5 days, but it can even take up to 7 days. Now, if you cannot find this from here, go back to the home screen, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner and enable the desktop site. The site will reload, wait for it to fully load up again. Zoom into the top right corner and again tap on the icon right here and then tap on My Transactions. It is the same process, and this time you should find your pending Robux right here without any problem. So yeah guys, again, to claim those Robux, all you need to do is to wait from 3 to 5 days to claim them. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below and leave your questions and concerns in the comment section. I'll answer every single one of them. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.